Why do you feel like yawning just seeing me do that? If this happens to you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. You'll love understanding your brain. Empathy is to blame. When we see someone yawning, our brain activates an area called the prefrontal cortex linked to social connection. It's as if the brain is saying, hey, this person is tired or bored. Am I too? This is so strong that even watching a video or hearing someone yawn can make you yawn. It's a kind of social contagion, like laughter. Yawning is contagious, and now you know why. Did you like it? Then give it a like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who always yawns first.